Well, currently, we're at the point where we've taken about 10, 11 years to develop out some systems. And our whole goal is to ensure that threat intelligence is not only broken down into these bite-sized kind of chunks that can be used for combating cybercrime, but also that threat intelligence sharing among systems and things.
Sure.
And so, for instance, we have an AV system that we started, that was about 11 years ago, and it has 17 billion code blocks that it uses as the basis of this massive neural network to detect malware. We've taken that and leveraged it into connected systems now. And that particular one actually has 3 AIs built into it. One of them does this massive stacking and racking of all those code blocks, ranking them according to their importance. Another system ingests net new malware and inserts that into that stack carefully so we don't mess that up. And then we have another one that QAs signatures that are pushed out automatically to our customer base. And all this happens automatically. It was done by engineers. And that's another goal of what we're trying to accomplish with our systems, is to be able to take these highly sought after, scarcely found technical security resources and leverage AI so that they can do the important things people do.
Right.
And we do that with that type of a system. And we also are starting to connect machines now, which is kind of interesting. We're taking an AV output, and we'll use what's called a sandbox, where we can actually detonate malware and analyze the bits and pieces. And we have artificial intelligence doing that now in such a way that the output is according to an attack framework that the analysts can now simply open up, look at, click on the specific IOCs, the indicators of compromise, these things that happen as that malware blew open, and determine what types of systems were being attacked within the infrastructure. And at that point, chief information security officers, people responsible for the security protections within an environment, start to see more clearly where they should be spending their money in protecting assets.
Zero